Okay, so now we are going to look at Justin's self-storage. This is in Augusta, Georgia. Okay, and one of my students brought me this deal, and I'm going to buy it. I hope if I can find the money, I'm going to buy it. All right, I really think this is a good deal. This is my type of property. So if anybody knows me, you guys know that like I am the mom and pop guru of storage investing. Okay, so I'm not going to, teach you how to find, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $10 million facilities. Like I'm here to help you get your foot in the door. Now, eventually later, you might want to go and buy facilities that big or whatever, but I'm the mom and pop guru, and I'm here to help you get your foot in the door. And the reason why is because these are the types of facilities we buy, honestly, so I'm going to teach you what I know, and I'm not going to pretend to not know how to do like super big, huge facilities or anything like that. So we have this one right here. I'm going to go to Google Maps real fast, and then all I'm doing is just going to show you this facility and what it looks like. Justin's, no, wait, actually it's not it. I need to do, because he doesn't have that under contract. So let's see, 2218 Rosier Road is the address. Okay, 2218 Rosier Road. And so this is what it looks like. I'm in map view, right? So I'm going to just go to satellite view. And then I'm going to just zoom in a little bit so you can see what this one looks like. Okay, so, and I just pitched this last week as well too. I did a pitch to a group of people that were interested in investing in it, and so we've been over this a couple times. And if anybody is interested in this deal, just let me know. If you want to lend on it, then just message us or email us at questions@stacyrossetti.com is our email, and let me know, and I can always share this folder with you so you can take a look at it. And there's like a 30-minute video. Actually, let me just pull that up. There's like a 30-minute video right here that I'm Stacy is going over the deal. It's right here. Okay, so you can watch that, but I'm going to go over the deal now too. It's kind of the same thing that I'm doing. And it's good practice for you guys to see how I'm pitching my deals and how I'm describing, everything to people and stuff like, how am I describing my deals to others so I can raise money. So essentially me doing a case study, there are a lot of different things that you can learn from this. So one of them is how I pitch my deals. Another one is how I find them, how I fund them. We don't own this, so I'm not going to talk about management yet. We'll talk a little bit about management, but this is a good case study for you. Okay, so this is the facility right here. Now, at one point, this whole property was owned by, one person, right? And you will see a lot of this in storage investing, honestly. You will see a lot of this when you start getting into it. Like storage runs into RV parks. It runs into boat and RV storage, car washes, laundromat, and commercial retail space. A lot of people I've come across, and actually we have another facility under contract that's almost exactly like this one that we're buying, that I'm going to pitch on Friday. And that is just almost like this one too. So this is the facility here, and right here in the back, and it's on like not even an acre. It's a little bit less than 1 acre. All right, but the owner, really, whoever built this facility, was built in 1994, so it's not really that old. But whoever built this facility, he really kind of utilized the space really well, which I love. I love when I see storage facilities on the space being utilized properly. And here's this right here. This is a car wash. Okay, this is the car wash, and there's an easement that comes in the car wash and then comes in through here. So that's kind of how I know, and I've kind of, figured it out over time, is that there's this easement that comes in. And the reason why is because at one point, this was owned by one person, and then he sold off this commercial building, he sold off this car wash, and then he sold off the storage facility.